Sniper. Well, hold on. Wait, guys.
Hey, guys.
Shh. Listen for him.
Jeffrey, we're ready. We're ready. Let's go, guys.
All right, straight up here.
Back up. Clear room.
Hold on, Jeffrey. Hold on.
Hey, we're going through here.
Wait.
I'll use the sniper rifle once we get up there a bit. I mean, fire some shots off with our assault rifles and we'll go.
And then we need some guys.
So where are you guys going?
Hay bales. If you want, you can follow us.
What?
If you want, you can follow us up to the hay bales.
Yo, we're going all the way up.
Oh, okay.
In there. We have a Polar Star guy.
Okay.
We'll go and shoot down.
Guys, you gotta back up.
Are you sure?
Yeah, we'll go.
I mean,
if they're gonna go up and around, because I was thinking that's what we do.
oh, okay.
Unless you want to sit up there and defend our position.
But, you know, I'm cool with anything.
Ready?
Ready! Let's go, guys. I'm jumping in the creek going. Go! Let's go! Cover that middle! Cover that middle!
Ah. All right. Hey, come on, buddy. There, he's out.
Hey, hold on!
Whoa!
The well!
Watch out, they're hitting these hay bales.
Oh, we're gonna hit it. We're gonna hit it.
Get down. Hey, buddy. Roger.
All right, I'll spot target. One behind the well. Take his ass out. I'll put. One at the blue barrels.
Blue barrels?
Hay bales. I guess it. Copy that.
Hey, there he is.
One, yeah. One behind the bushes. He's booking. He's behind the well. One behind the well.
Roger.
Hey, can you pass the rifle?
Whoa. We're good. Hey, you see him?
Yeah.
Yeah.
See anyone?
I'm just lighting some fire in the berries. Yeah. Hey, is my GoPro filming? Okay, sorry. Just making sure.
You're good.
Oh shit!
Call him out. Where is he?
Right down there.
Copy.
They're.
Cover me from that angle. Okay, try to get stuff.
Roger. Oh, I see him.
I get a visual. They got him pinned. Do you want to move up?
One sec.
We got one behind the well, one around creek.
Hey, yo, Woodland. Reloading.
Where is he? Colin?
Behind the blue barrels.
Copy, thanks, brother. Not a real conflict. Jesus. Sorry, I'll stop this.
No, it's okay.
Negative, not hitting the one behind the well. You want to move up?
Whoa!
Is he in the well or in the
They're in the berries.
berries?
God, I would hate to be that guy that just climbed all the way up Sunnyside to die.
Really?
Copy that, brother.
Hey, enemy right here. Enemy right here.
Where?
Behind this. See the those wooden planks?
Oh, copy, I see him.
Right, right behind the hay bales. on those wooden planks, okay? Whoa, you're taking fire.
Yeah, copy, I see it. Hey, I saw the thing you mentioned, like Charlie, the one-eyed blind sniper.
Yeah.
It's from Repo.
Come on, buddy. Whoa.
Oh, hey, he's still behind there.
Yeah.
I'll try to get him with the rifle.
He's hit. I got him.
You got him? Good
Yep.
kill, good kill. Alright, that guy's friendly, I think. Is the guy in the black friendly? He's looking at his berries.
Move up.
Move up, let's go!
You're getting bunched up. Move up. Whoa, whoa, whoa. You see that? That bounced off this hay bale right here. Oh, I see him.
Yep. Right behind the hay bale.
Oh, whoa, we got a, oh man! He just fell.
No team! No more respawns!
Nice.
Take him out!
Good fucking move, man. Get under cover, man. Go, we got you covered. Go, go. Move. Buddy, get.
He can die if he wants. Come on.
Go, go, cover to cover.
Water up!
Hey, in the berries.
Whoa, yeah, copy that.
Hey, buddy, you want to go berry clearing?
Let's do it.
Pistols out.
Fucking do it. You lead the. Alright. I'm on point, follow me.
Whoa, that was my mags. Ah.
Hey, where is he? Call him, call him.
Thanks.
Copy that, thanks, brother. Hey, hit.
Whoa, hit.
Hey, here, I'll be back. Hey, I'm hit.
Hey, Matthew, I just
I see your orange barrel, buddy. Come on. Ah, I gotta get at the berries. Whoa. Oh, hit. Good shot. They're not? I'm pretty sure I may or may not have hit that guy.
Every single one.
Still got lines. Come on, hurry up.
Let's go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Respawn!
Then I saw the sky, then the ground, then the sky, then the ground.
Right here! Hey!
Right there. Fuck you, bottle.
Whoa, watch out!
Copy that.
Woo!
Well, this is exciting.
Oh shit, I got 1 round left. I gotta go get my primary.
Hey. Bigfoot. Bigfoot.
Yeah.
There.
Oh, thanks, man. Good shooting, good shooting.
Hey, one in the creek hit.
Ah, shit. Ah, whoop. My bad.
Hey, Bigfoot, tell me when you're ready to move up.
All right.
Alright, you're gonna follow me, alright? You're gonna follow me.
Yeah, I'm with you. Let's move up. Watch the creek. Let's try to take point and take the berries.
Go.
Watch out. Ah, shit. I gotta go get my gun. I got.
You record?
What?
You recording?
Yeah. Hey, buddy. No, I know. I'm gonna get it. I thought I was gonna get to the. Hey, buddy, well, the well. Ah, thanks, man. Oh.
You got him! This guy with the castle! He's looking at me! Press that guy.
Everybody, watch
He's out.
your
I got him.
engagement! I want to see how hard this. That's not a hard pull at all.
No, so, I mean, that's a little hard. I don't know. Then again,
no,
I'm
I
just
mean,
weak.
like, I'm surprised. When I shot it, it got to that hay bales from here like it was nothing.
Yeah.
It sounded like it would be a stupid hard pull.
Hey,
Right.
there's another one right there. That's you! He's by the castle!
Is this
Whew.
yours?
It's Adrian's.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Let's go! He's by the castle. You can move up around. That'd be good.
We got him held in the berries as well.
Okay.
Ah. Oh.
He moved away from the castle. He's in the berries. Berries!
They're in both. Oh, did he move away from the?
There's a guy at the creek!
Reloading.
Like that.
What?
I like that shot. He's using .25s in this, right?
I think so.
I'll fill up his bag.
Thanks.
I mean, if he wasn't, then I'd stop shooting.
That's true.
Because I don't have anything bigger than .25.
Yep.
You ready? You ready to move up?
Where are we going? Yeah.
Yeah, I want to move to the next one. We want my sleeves because it's getting hot.
Well, you might. We're
Right,
pushing.
Let's flank. Let's go. To the next berry, and then we'll just come around the berry. Let's go.
Whoa.
Good. Just figure out where they are.
I don't know yet.
Glenn, where are they?
Woodside.
Oh shit. Heads up, watch out. You get down.
Here, take cover here.
Yeah. He's over there.
What was that?
Bushes over here.
Bushes?
Yeah.
Oh. Wow.
You good here? Move over.
Whoa. I don't. Is that no? Okay.
What the fuck?
I didn't hit him. I know that.
Last
Whoa.
mag. Last mag.
Whoa.
You good? Hey, move toward me. Go.
Ah.
This really isn't made for two people.
Nope.
If you can
Reloading.
Can I move down to that bunker right there?
1 sec.
This one with the blueberry.
Wow.
Where's he?
He's in the berries.
Alright.
Fuck. All my mags are pretty much out. Hold on.
Shit, watch out.
Fuck.
Wow, I can't believe you're shooting over your
Fuck.
shoulder. Hey, Darren, get me right there. Thank you. We got him.
Alright.
Alright.
Fuck. I'm pretty much out. One mag to test left.
It's on the wood side.
Yay!
No, we got him. We got that guy. Ready?
Where are we going?
Let's flank him. Come on. Yeah, no, we're going around. Let's go flank. Let's go up the way they were. You know how they spawn?
Whoa! Yeah, they're firing at us. One sec. Oh. Hold on. He's out. I got him. Yep. What the fuck? You're out. That hit your parrot. Oh, he's out. Yeah, I hit him in the leg. Whoa. Yo, go in. Yeah. Friendly. We're good.
See anyone?
Probably up there. That was chaotic as hell, man. Yeah!